Welcome to a short introduction to an alternative method of utilizing Google Suite slides in instructional lessons and incorporating it into learning management systems such as Seesaw. This presentation addresses real-world training needs for educators within an organization. We begin this lesson by exploring how to create an activity utilizing this learning management system. With continued practice, the steps will become easier and you will be more efficient at creating the activities. It will also include integrating Google Slides when creating an activity that will be assigned in this digital learning portfolio. First, you will need to log into the Created Classroom in order to access the dashboard. This screen shows your dashboard. Next, you will locate the Add icon and proceed to click on Assign Activity from the drop-down menu. Here you will find 3 archive library options to choose from with pre-made activities that can be assigned to an entire class or individual students. The focus today will be on the My Library tab. So we have Community, School and District, My Library tab. A previously assigned lesson will be modified to add the slides converted to PDF file. Now you will click on the ellipsis to access the drop-down menu and then select Copy and Edit Activity. Here's your ellipsis. Copy and edit. Continue by including a title with specific but brief instructions for the activity and task to be completed. Code words will embed icons. This can also include recorded audio instructions. Add voice instructions, and these are the student instructions for the lesson. The student template, student instructions section can be modified by adding voice instructions, selecting multimedia, or adding templates as examples to the activity. After in the student template section, upload the assigned PDF activity. In the teacher notes section, remarks can be added and are not visible to students. Tics can be assigned according to grade level here as well. Next, you will locate the upload icon and attach item pop-up box to select the PDF file for the activity. That will be done here. Afterwards, you will locate the instructional Google Slides saved as a PDF or in your drive for easy upload into the activity page. Select from computer, PDF file, the PDF file can no longer be modified from Google Slides after the upload. Next, you can embed videos directly from the computer or through a URL link. Voice recordings can be included in each slide. Uploads from Drive need to access to view. So if we scroll down in this pre-selected file, we have 2 videos that have been embedded. The way you embed it is by searching for the link, and you type your link here. Through the ellipsis here, you can also change your background color. You can also add voice. Through this option, you can add video, upload more files, add photos. This is where you record, or students can record, and this is where they add text boxes. The student template is interactive and it can be accessed by both the educator and the student. The student can navigate through the slides and use the color customization tools accessible on the student template, which are these on the sidebar. Drawing tools are accessible at the bottom of the student template, which are used to modify the assignment. So here, they can modify the size of their text boxes. This is their drawing tool that they can change the color of. This is a pen marker. This is their highlighter tool. This is another highlighter tool. And this is their eraser. Use additional formatting tools located on the left-hand side when creating the activity. The students will use the same template and the tools once this activity is assigned. After all changes and instructions are complete, you can click the icon with the green check mark located at the upper left-hand corner to save all the changes. Once you save, it will revert back to the Edit Activity pop-up box. Click the Save button at the bottom right-hand corner. The new activity has been successfully created. You can click the Assign button at the top right-hand corner and assign it to students. Next, an additional pop-up box will appear. Click Options to assign by class, subject, specific student, and schedule and calendar for specific dates. You can schedule it here. These are the different classes that you can assign it to. Students, folders, skills. You can click on the Assign to one class or multiple if needed. Once we assign it to a class, an additional pop-up box will appear with a notice that the activity has been assigned. We click on the X in the upper left-hand corner to exit and close the activity and return to the library. Additionally, from the Activity Library page, you can click on Back to Class to return to the class dashboard and close the new activity. When you click on the Activity Library page, up on the corner where it says Back to Class, you will return to the class dashboard and it closes the library archived activities. Finally, in the Activities dashboard page on the upper right-hand corner, the activity can be found inside the Activities tab and the student portfolio. So this is their journal. When assignments get sent to their different folders, on this board here, it will show the assigned activities. This is where they would have to add a response to start working on their activity. The inbox is where it shows messages between the student and the teacher. Congratulations, you have learned in this guide how to complete and assign a new lesson activity with embedded Google Slides for your class. I highly recommend you explore all the features and you become comfortable with the platform. Remember that with practice, you will design and create innovative activities for your students' learning experiences. Thank you.